Hey guys, if you're looking to get approved on the Creator Fund for TikTok, and I think this video might be just what you're looking for, I recently got approved and I wanted to share with you guys how I got approved after multiple different steps that I've taken. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you need to know is you need to be a TikTok creator, obviously, over 18, and you must have at least 10,000 followers and accrued 100,000 views on TikTok within the last 30 days. So once you knock that out, TikTok will present to you the ability to apply. But what happens when it doesn't show up? For example, me, I am a traveling YouTuber and I also make TikToks as I go. 3 months ago, I qualified for the Creator Fund when I was leaving Egypt, but it did not show up. So I messaged them to report a problem and they responded that because of the region that I'm in, the TikTok Creator Fund is not available for me. So what do we do now next? After that, I spoke to a friend. His name is Rome. He is a big time comedian in Los Angeles, and he recommended me, hey, Derek, why don't you try using a VPN? And the VPN essentially is changing the location of where you're at. So if right now I'm in Turkey, I use the VPN to place myself in Los Angeles. Then I took the SIM card out and then tried to apply on TikTok and it did not work. So then he came up with another third idea, which is what really helped and what got me to be approved. Because I'm from California, I have a younger brother and he's back in the States. Right now I'm currently in Turkey. And I had my brother log into my account. Once my brother logged into my account, and I had to log out obviously over here. Once he logged into my account, the Creator Fund now then opened up. And my brother then applied for me on my behalf. Filled information. They asked like general questions, you know, age, verify my age, my email, location. I had to send them the front and back of my passport. And then once we got that all figured out, an error message came up. And I think that's kind of normal, but it shows you're on the right track. It said, you know, the technical error, TikTok can't approve it right now, 24 hours. We did do it again. In 24 hours, I did get the notification that I was approved for the Creator Fund, and that's how I got approved for the Creator Fund. It's really that simple. If this is something you're struggling with, maybe you can try this yourself as a traveling TikToker, sure. Because of the region that I'm based in right now, which is like the Middle East from Egypt going up, I wasn't approved for it, but when I had my younger brother log in on my account back in the States, it worked. So that's pretty much it. There's really no secret other way to it. I've tried many different other ways. This is what worked for me, and I hope this works for you. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if this tactic worked for you. My name is Derek. This is my channel, Paint Your Lifestyle. I'm a traveling YouTuber, and this is what I do. If you have any questions, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, you know the deal. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.